Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Son Amal. Today I want to a presentation about learning or encoding and decoding. In here, I have five group members will explain encoding and decoding. Just let's straight to the discussion.
What is encoding? Encoding is the process of changing information or data into a certain code or format that can be stored or transmitted. This process is often used in digital communication, data storage, and data security. Encoding is done by changing the arrangement of character in the form of letter, number, and other symbols into a special format so that data transmission become more efficient in terms of size. Encoding function. The first, ensures compatibility. Ensures compatibility is encoding ensures that data can be processed and understood by various systems and devices that might have different format requirement. The second, optimizing storage. Optimizing storage is encoding is often used to compress data so that it requires less storage space. The third, maintaining security. Maintaining security is encoding can include encryption with secure data so that only authorized parties can decode it and access the information. Reduces error. Reduces error is encoding can help in detecting and correcting error that might occur during data transmission. The fifth, finally, improving transmission efficiency. Improving transmission efficiency is encoding can convert data into a signal that are more suitable for transmission over a particular medium such as cable or radio waves.
Encoding process, plain text encryption, ciphertext description, plain text. When someone sends a message, encoding works to change the plain text into ciphertext for security and protects the message from a text. When it is sent, then decoding changes the ciphertext into plain text again so that the message can be read by the recipient.
Encoding type. This is the most basic form of coding, where information is represented using just two symbols, usually 0 and 1. Binary coding is used in digital communication systems such as computers and telecommunication. For example, we want to send a message to our friends, "Hello world," then it will be encrypted if binary encoding is formed as follows, like this, based on table binary code. Encoding ASCII, or American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange and is a character coding standard used for the representation of text in computer and other devices. ASCII assigns a unique number to each character, including letter, number, and punctuation mark. For example, we want to send a message to our friends, "Hello world," then it will be encrypted if binary encoding is formed as follows, like this, based on ASCII table.
Encoding algorithm. In this algorithm, we have just one algorithm that is transposition of chippers. The definition of transposition of chipper is transposition chippers, the letters in the plain text remain the same and only the order is changed. For the example, plain text is Faculty of Informatics Engineering. To encrypt a message, the plain text is written horizontally with a fixed column width. For the example, 7 character with k equals 6. So it will produce the following result, that is 6 by 6 table. And the plain text, we can enter the plain text into the table, that is Faculty of Informatics Engineering, and we have the remaining 4 column are empty. So if arranged vertically, it will produce the following. Encryption is FVOCNGIORSA, if IM II UIE NR IL NTGI TFIIN. Encoding technique. In order for the message to be safe, we can hybrid this coding is carried out by combination with transpose encoding and ASCII encoding. For the example, in the words of the Faculty of Engineering, we can do this by transposition of the encoding first and then change it to the ASCII encoding as the follows. Namely as follows. Previously FEI, OC, and H. Then we get the following result with the transpose that we did on the previous slide. Then we change it to the ASCII encoding. That is 106 is F, 131 is Y, and 117 is O, and 103 is C and H. And that is number 40. The number 40 is a space in the plain text. So the plain text we change to the cheaper text. The cheaper text is ASCII encoding. We change the plain text in a cheaper text to be save the message to the receiver. Encoding example. In this example, we have 3 encoding. The first, we have data encoding. The definition of data encoding is converting raw data, such image, audio, or video, into a format suitable for storage or transmission. For the example, namely JPEG for image and MP3 for audio. And secondly, character encoding. The definition is converts text character to a numerical representation that a computer can understand. For the example, that is ASCII, UTF-8 and UTF-16 are some of the commonly used character encoding schemes. And the last is signal encoding. The definition is in networking communication, digital signal can be converted into forms that represent bits, such implemented modulation or EM, frequency modulation or VM, and phase modulation or PM.
I want to explain about decoding. What is decoding? Decoding is the process of changing an encoded message into a form that can be understood by the receiver. In a communication, decoding is the process of interpreting a message through certain codes. More technically, decoding can also refer to the process of translating information that has been coded into a particular form into a form that can be understood by humans. For example, in the world of computers, decoding is used when downloading files from the internet to ensure that the files received are exactly the same as the original files. For example, encodings in real life, we can use a QR code, barcode, and more. If you use a barcode is an encoding process. And if you scan with your phone and the barcode is direct to a website, it's a process decoding. Decoding function, I have a 5 point about decoding function. For the first point, message understanding. In a communication, decoding allows the receiver to understand the message sent by the sender. This includes interpreting words, symbols, and non-verbal cues. And next point, data processing. In information technology, decoding is used to convert data that has been inscribed or coded into a format that can be understood and used by humans or other systems. Next point, information recovery. Decoding allows accurate information recovery from data that has been compressed or stored in a space-saving format. Next point, data security. In cybersecurity, decoding is used to check data integrity and ensure that the data received is the same as the same without any modification or corruption. For fine, it's same like before I'm explain about a QR code. Message understanding is how to how do you know how you you know about the message how to want to use how to the convert with what and data processing is convert for example is barcode information recovery and data security. It's how the data can be perfect or not damaged. For the last point, language translation. Decoding is also used in language translation, both by humans and by machine, to convert text or speech from one language to another. For the last point, language translations, I have is a example from OCR method. If you have a picture with text, you can convert the picture to a text. Just type not a pictures with text. If you have a text scanner with your phone, if you take a photo or scan your picture with the text, the application can convert from the picture to be a text. And if you use Google Assistant, you can convert your voice to a text. Okay, enough explain about decoding from me.
Decoding type. The first is decoding binary. This is the process of converting binary data back to its original format or plain text. Binary decoding is used in digital communication systems, such as computers and telecommunications. For example, we want to send a message to our friend, and the message has been encrypted in the form binary format text as below. Then it will be decoded if using a binary decoder. it will be formed as follows. Hello world. The next is decoding ASCII. Decoding ASCII, or American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the process of converting ASCII encoded data back to its original text format. ASCII decoding assigns unique character to each ASCII code. For example, we want to send a message to our friend, and the encoded data will be in the form ASCII format as below. Then it will be decoded if the ASCII decoder is formed as follow is hello world.
Difference between encoding and decoding. 1. Encoding is the process of creating a message using certain codes, while decoding is the process of interpreting a message using certain codes. 2. The encoder must determine how the message will be received by the audience and make adjustments so that the message is received the way they want it to be received, while the decoding process influences the recipient of the message, having to decipher the codes or symbol used by the sender of the message. 3. Encoding refers to the media text production process, which includes media activity in creating specific communication message through language code, while decoding refers to the process of interpreting message by the audience. 4. Encoding is the process of changing data from another according to a set of protocols or methods, while decoding is the process of changing an encoded message into a form that can be understood by the recipient.
Thank you for watching video. I hope this video can provide knowledge and insight for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.